In this video, we listed the 5 best electric screwdriver set on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Deli DL-DP04-1B2 Screwdriver Set. The Deli DL-DP04-1B2 is a versatile cordless screwdriver designed for home DIY projects, featuring a powerful brushless motor and a 2000 mAh lithium battery. It operates at a rated voltage of 4.8 V and offers a maximum torque of 5 Nm, making it suitable for various tasks, including electrical maintenance and home assembly. The screwdriver includes a Type-C USB charging interface for convenient power replenishment, and its design incorporates a 4-gear torque adjustment system, dual LED lighting for visibility in dark areas, and strong magnetic adsorption for easy bit changes. Weighing only 0.4 kilograms, this tool is lightweight and easy to handle, ensuring durability and efficiency in usage. Number 2. Bosch GO 3 Screwdriver Set. The Bosch GO2 GO3 cordless electric screwdriver is a highly efficient tool designed for home DIY projects, featuring a compact design with a weight of just 0.32 kilograms and dimensions of 190 by 40 millimeters. Operating at a rated voltage of 3.6 V, it delivers a maximum torque of 5 Nm and a no-load speed of 360 RPM, making it suitable for various applications. The screwdriver comes with a lithium-ion battery capacity of either 1.5 Ah or 2 Ah, ensuring reliable performance. It features advanced functionalities such as intelligent LED lights for visibility and low battery reminders, electronic brakes for quick stopping, and dual activation modes for ease of use. Additionally, the Bosch GO series offers multiple set options, including accessories like storage boxes, charging cables, and various bits, catering to different user needs. With its Smart Stop feature and universal chuck, this tool ensures precision and safety in operations, making it a versatile choice for both casual users and professionals. Number 3. ARROWMAX M1 Screwdriver Set. The ARROWMAX M1 electric screwdriver set is a cutting-edge tool designed for precision and versatility in electronic manufacturing and repair. Featuring a sleek oval design for improved grip and control, this screwdriver operates at a rated voltage of 5 V and includes a high-efficiency 600 mAh LiPo battery, allowing for fast Type-C charging in just 100 minutes. The M1 boasts a 5-gear adjustable torque system, with a maximum output of 5 Nm, enabling safe handling of delicate components. Its innovative design reduces hand fatigue during prolonged use, while the built-in LED light ensures visibility in low-light conditions. The set comes with an M1 angle screw accessory for tackling tight spaces, and a robust set of 60 extended bits made from high-hardness S2 steel, enhancing its functionality. With features like automatic, manual operation switching and real-time charging feedback via an OLED screen, the ARROWMAX M1 is not only powerful but also user-friendly, making it an essential addition to any toolbox. Number 4. Deli DL-DP04-1B2 Screwdriver Set. The Deli DL-DP04-1B2 cordless screwdriver is a powerful and versatile tool designed for home DIY projects, featuring a rated voltage of 4.8 V and a robust 2000 mAh lithium battery. With a maximum torque of 5 Nm and a precision 2.5 mm screwdriver head, it efficiently handles various screws with ease. The screwdriver offers a 4-gear torque adjustment system and dual functionality for both electric and manual use, making it suitable for tasks ranging from electrical maintenance to home assembly. Its thoughtful design includes dual LED lighting for visibility in dark areas, a Type-C charging interface for convenient power replenishment, and strong magnetic adsorption for secure bit attachment. Weighing just 0.4 kilograms, the Deli DL-DP04-1B2 combines durability with user-friendly features, making it an essential addition to any toolbox. Number 5. ARROWMAX Ultra Screwdriver Set. The ARROWMAX 70-in-1 mini electric screwdriver set is a high-performance tool designed for precision electronics repair, featuring a rated voltage of 5V and a maximum torque of 4.0 kgf/cm. With a robust 500 mAh LiPo battery that offers 40% more power than comparable models, this screwdriver can efficiently handle up to 900 screws on a single charge. It includes 70 precision-engineered S2 steel tips, all labeled for easy identification, and operates with 5 adjustable torque modes ranging from 0.5 to 4.0 kgf/cm, making it suitable for various delicate tasks. The ergonomic design, weighing just 62 grams, ensures comfort during prolonged use, while the magnetic charging stand adds convenience for quick recharges. Additionally, the screwdriver features a patented technology that allows for automatic switching to manual mode when additional torque is required, enhancing its versatility. Certified for safety by TÜV and US standards, the ARROWMAX mini electric screwdriver set is an essential tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts.